Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day so far. Today we are going to be testing out a really strange beauty hack. I was scrolling through the internet last night and I was trying to find some really cool beauty hacks to try out because, let's face it, I need to save some money. I'm sure we all do, it's good to save money. And I was thinking maybe this is a way that I could save some money and just test out some beauty hacks, see if there's a cheaper way to do stuff. And I came across this strange beauty hack for deodorant. So basically, today we are going to be smearing lemons under my armpits to see if that will make me smell beautiful and fresh, and to see if we can find a natural version of deodorant. I know, so weird. I feel like I'm going to be like a sticky mess, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. So I was basically scrolling through the internet and I came to a page that Allure magazine, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyway, they were saying that you can use lemons as a natural alternative for deodorant. Strange, right? So I read through the article and basically there are a couple of like high up dermatologists and like people that kind of know their shit basically saying that you can definitely use this as a natural deodorant. So I thought, well, if they're saying it, why not? So basically it just says here there's a difference between deodorants and antiperspirants. They're making that very, very clear. So they're just saying that deodorants are cosmetic products that only deal with eliminating or masking the odor, and antiperspirants are over-the-counter pharmaceutical products containing an active ingredient that are used to stop wetness as well. So basically it just says that lemons are going to kind of make you sticky and not stop the wetness. So that's going to be awesome at work, having sticky armpits being like, fan me out, fan me out. So this is supposed to stop the smell, it's supposed to make me smell very nice and have no odour, and it's antibacterial as well because lemons are antibacterial. So let's see how this goes. It'll be so interesting to see if it actually works or not. So it just says that lemons are really useful for covering scents, so odour, make you smell really nice. And then because it's antibacterial, it's supposed to keep your armpits kind of like clean in a way. So we'll see how that goes. I have literally got a lemon cut in half. So this is what we're going to be using. Because my armpits are so special to me, they get a whole half lemon each. And we're just going to smear it all under there. Get me smelling nice. So yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. I'm literally just going to take that like that. Excuse my armpits, they're not very pretty. I shaved yesterday because I was so paranoid that it would sting my armpits. So if you guys are going to try this at home, please don't shave and then put citric juice in your follicles. So, oh, that actually feels disgusting. You can hear it like slushing in my armpit too. It's like okay. That actually smells quite nice. It reminds me of cleaning products. So I'm just gonna smell like I've just cleaned my house basically. Look at me go. Get that in there. Yeah, I don't have the prettiest armpits, sorry guys. So if you don't want to look at them, feel free to skip to the next bit. Air it out a little bit. Just make sure it dries a wee bit. I feel like it will dry down a wee bit, but not completely. Doesn't sting, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to chuck them here. Alright, so we're going to wear this for the day, see if I get smelly. Hopefully not, because I hate being smelly, and see if it dries or if it gets sticky, if it turns into a mess. Let's just see if this natural alternative for deodorant actually works. So I'm going to go away for a couple of hours and then I'm going to come back. Look at my arm jiggle. Oh, stay away. We're going to go away for a couple hours, do some jobs, errands, all that fun stuff, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, if it worked. We'll have the final verdict soon. See you guys soon. Alrighty guys, I am back! Sorry if my face looks a little bit sweaty. I've literally just been like running trying to get to shops before my parking ran out, so that's always fun when you're in the city. So let's give the final verdict. Okay, lighting's changed, just excuse that guys. Basically, I don't even know where to start with this. So with the lemons, my skin definitely did get a tiny bit irritated when I got a little bit hot and sweaty. So I feel like if you're doing exercising or things like that, this is a no. Stay away. I also did a little bit more reading and it said that if you have sensitive skin or if you're prone to like rashes when you shave and stuff like that, this is probably something that you want to avoid, so maybe keep that in mind for future as well. There's definitely like a tiny bit of stickiness, but not that much. Like, I'm super happily surprised that I didn't get much stickiness. I thought that I would be like, you know when you leave like an ice block in the sun and it gets sticky and gross? I kind of thought that's what my underarms would be like. So I'm really happy that that didn't happen. Wonder if you can see it there. Yeah, there was like a little bit of redness just here. Oh, and I found a tiny bit of lemon. That's really gross. But yeah, I got a little bit of redness just here, kind of where like my fold of my armpit is. So it must have been like when I was getting sweaty, my arms rubbing together maybe didn't work as well as I thought that they might do. But I do kind of have chubby arms, so you know that could always play a part too. But overall, I feel really weird smelling myself on camera, but I mean, most of us do that once in a while just to check you don't stink. So my underarms actually smell pretty good. I would say they're like 80% smelling good. Like, they smell kind of warm. Is that a smell? They kind of smell warm. So they don't smell bad. I can't smell any BO or odour or anything like that. But there's like a warmth to it that's kind of strange. So I don't know if I would do this again. Good to know that if I'm ever stuck in a situation where I need to put some deodorant on and I don't have anything but a lemon, I can use a lemon. But yeah, it's really strange. Like, I know citrus is really good for scent, so just in case you guys want to try with like an orange or anything, please don't, because that would definitely get 100% sticky. Lemons aren't supposed to be as sticky as oranges in that, apparently, the article says. So overall this kind of gets like a 50% thumbs up. It didn't work 100% just because there's a bit of smell, warmness, something going on, and it was quite sticky and my skin did get a little bit irritated. But I don't smell, I don't stink, I sweat a lot as well, especially when I'm doing things like if I'm running around. So I feel like it stayed pretty dry for what I needed it to. I don't smell, there's no BO, which is awesome. So happy with that. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new. Very strange beauty hack. I'm surprised I even found that, but I love trying weird things. So if you guys would like me to try anything weird in particular, leave a comment down below and let me know. But please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a really awesome day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!